GQ-PAT-SNP is a new GenomeQuest database of patented single nucleotide polymorphisms. While generic keyword searches yield incomplete prior art, searches run against GQ-PAT-SNP create specific sequences by including 500 nucleotides on either side of the polymorphism. By building genomic sequences for patents that imply polymorphisms using SNP IDs, it is no longer necessary for documents to contain strings of reference SNP IDs, or RSIDs, meaning the constructed sequence searches compare against sequences that may not be explicitly listed in documents. This avoids the issue of diminished access to pertinent information due to limited search scope. For example, if a biotech company has discovered a polymorphism associated with schizophrenia in a particular gene, it would be imperative for that company to assess their freedom to operate before developing intellectual property around companion diagnostics that relate to that polymorphism. This necessitates a check of prior art, otherwise risking enormous amounts of time and valuable resources. Run merely against GQ-PAT, a search yields 500 results which turn out to be irrelevant and non-specific to schizophrenia. Does this mean the company has freedom to operate? Well, when run against GQ-PAT-SNP, the same exact sequence yields 9 high-identity documents, none of which existed in the previous 500 results. And voila! A patent specifically cites schizophrenia. It is in the company's best interest to have thoroughly reviewed significant prior art previous to pursuing intellectual property. GQ-PAT-SNP enables IP searchers to uncover prior art that is at best embedded under mountains of documents in a keyword search, and at worst is not identifiable at all without a sequence search. For an upgrade, contact us today at support@genomequest.com.